Today's mission: eliminate weak passwords. Hackers love easy targets. Don't let yours be one of them. We'll show you how to build ironclad credentials that lock cybercriminals out for good. Passwords like QWERTY123 and password are still used by millions, and they're the first thing hackers try. Weak or reused passwords are the front door to your network, wide open. Step 1. Build a fortress-level password. Use at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything personal or predictable. Step 2. Don't reuse passwords. One stolen password can unlock multiple accounts. Treat each one like its own vault, unique and secure. Step 3. Let a password manager do the heavy lifting. These tools generate, store, and autofill strong passwords for every account, so you don't have to remember them all. Step 4. Add an extra layer. Multi-factor authentication makes your accounts nearly uncrackable. Even if a password is stolen, access is still blocked. Mission complete, superhumans. Weak passwords are no match for smart defense. With strong credentials, unique logins, and MFA, your accounts are secure, and the hackers are left in the dark.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.